In this video, you will learn how to change the message sound on the Truecaller app. Open the Truecaller app. Launch the Truecaller app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in and have the latest version installed. To access your notification features, go to Settings, tap on your profile icon on the three-dotted menu in the top right corner of your home screen. Then select Settings from the menu option. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This allows you to manage all of your sounds or alerts. Preference for your phones and messages. Tap on Message Notification. Under the notification, locate the Tap the Message notification. Here you can customize the sound that plays when you receive a new SMS or Truecaller message. Choose a new message sound. Tap on Notification Sound or Message Tone. A list of available tones will appear that you'll be able to use. Select your preferred sound from the list or choose one of your phone's gallery. Save and exit. After selecting the tone, tap Save or OK, then apply your changes. Exit the settings and test the new sound by sending a message to yourself. Now you know. Now you know how to change your message sound on the Truecaller app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.